let's review a multifidi strengthening program. So this is a great way for you to progress your multifidi strengthening program at home independently or along with your physical therapist. So first thing we want to do is a basic quadruped position. We want the hands right underneath those shoulders. We want the hips at 90 degrees, and we want to start with that pelvic tilt. Find that neutral spine, suck in that core really tight, keep the thoracic column relaxed, and just keep that tight and breathe, okay? Stage one, breathing, core tight. Once we get past that, we can start knee telescoping. So what I want you to do is, actually I'll come on this side, and just lift this knee straight up off the table, just so it's hovering about 1 inch. And we're holding that position, okay? And hold that position for about 10 seconds and then back down, okay? You wanna alternate sides. Once you get comfortable with that, perfect, keeping that core tight, then we're gonna move on to full knee extensions, okay? So let's take a break there. Now we're gonna keep the core tight and we're gonna extend this knee behind you, way all the way. There you go, oh, let's keep it up there. Extend that knee, watch the pelvis from rotating, keep that core tight, keep this knee way up and hold. So I like to start with about 5 to 10 second holds. Start progressing yourself all the way up to 30-second holds. Really should feel that in the lower back here. Keep that core really tight and back down. And again, we want to alternate sides. Always keep that core tight, low back flat. Make sure the pelvis isn't rotating. Fully extend that leg. Good. Again, 5 to 10 seconds to start, progressing up to 30. And back down. Once you get that done, we add the full bird dogs. We kick in the lats with the arms and we keep those multifidi firing. So let's go right leg, all the way extended, just like we did before. Good, all the way up, keeping that core tight. Way up, this time let's take the left arm. Let's reach way up with the thumb up in the air. Good, keeping that stomach really tight. Again, start with 5-10 seconds, bring it all the way up to 30-second holds and alternate. Great way to progress your whole quadruped multifidi series at home independently. Good. Get that arm up, good. Always thumb up, engage that whole lat. Don't let the pelvis rotate. Good. And rest. Perfect.